I scooted it a little bit closer to him. Is he gonna eat? Nope, I think that's still too close to me. I mean, it's not that close, but it's still pretty close, especially for him. Okay, well, I guess I'll go inside so you can eat. Because now I've ruined it. Because before, if I scoot back, you would just, you know, come up and just eat. The last couple times. Oh, Warren, you're so funny. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, okay? I'll check on you guys later. You're so cute. Okay, here I go. I'm going inside. Yep, see? Okay, well, I'll just keep trying. I think I just put the ball just a little bit too close to me this time. Poor kitty.